Okay, so here is my next album. This is a recipe journal, and this is from the line of paper Homemade with Love by Carte Bella. And I used everything out of this paper pad. I literally used, I think I have 2 sheets of paper left, and that's it. But as you can see, here's the front cover and the spine and some dangle. And this is the back cover, Homemade with Love. It measures 10 by 7 by 2. And it has plenty of room for pictures, recipes, anything you want to put in it. It will hold absolutely plenty. All right, so let's open it up here. This is the first pages here. This is the front pocket, and on the front pocket is another pocket, and this holds 3 recipe cards, places for photos. More recipes can be tucked down in there. This is a little recipe book that you can open up and store many more recipes, photos, plenty of room for whatever. I'll just set this here. And again, this is a big, thick tuck spot for plenty more recipes. Here, place for a recipe, Kiss the Cook. Again, let's see if I have this in frame. Recipes. These come out, journaling cards. Holder here. This is a belly band, and this belly band would hold recipes, pictures, journaling. This closes up, and this pulls out. Each picture, each page has a folder, card. This side, another envelope here, and room for more recipes and more recipes, or journaling or photos. Same thing here, 2 more recipe cards, journaling. This opens, this opens. These are recipe cards also. And this opens this way. More recipe cards. This opens this way. And another pocket here. Recipe cards. Again, journaling, photos, and some more recipe cards. Great present for Christmas for your mom, grandma, next door neighbor. I'm actually making one for my next door neighbor. And another card, photo mat that slides in here like this and opens to this page. This is another book, and this opens up for more of the recipe cards. This is or journaling, or just to fill with your favorite recipes, hand down to your daughter or your granddaughter. And this ties right back up, and this slides right in here. And these are embellishments from the sticker sheets from the paper. A lot of these are the sticker sheets. These are recipe cards that I did make. And this turns, and here is another little note card tuck spot. This is an old recipe from a 1945 recipe book, and I loved it because it was all the recipes inside were handwritten. So I stuck that in there. I just made it into a little file folder. This opens this way, and here's a double file folder here, a little library card folder. This slides out here. This another pocket for recipe cards, journaling, photos, and the same thing here. Everything comes out to add more space. And again, another photo mat that slides right back in here. There we go. And here on the next page, recipes, photos, journaling, plenty of room. Same thing here. And same thing here on this side. Here's a couple of little note cards here, recipe cards. There's another pocket in this pocket. It's a very roomy pocket and plenty of room for more cards. I have 3 of them in here. And this closes up to the back. Nice and thick, but it sits up nicely. And you have your little cameo here, opens up to love. A little clock for timing, little bead work, and a little bit of teal. I don't know if it shows up very well, but down the side here, it's a little glitter teal. States recipes. These are brass embellishments. Little bottle caps here. So, hope you like it. It'll be for sale soon on Junk Journal Junkies Boutique. And thanks for watching.